Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Marissa. First off, Happy New Year. Today's video, I am sharing 10 tips on how to be that girl or boy in 2022. Y'all, it's a new year, new you. Actually, what I like to say is new year, better me. This is obviously a new year to better yourself, be the person that you want to be, work towards your goals, manifest everything, you know. So I'm going to share with you guys 10 tips that I'm doing this year to be that girl or boy, whatever, in 2022. So I'm very excited. I already started and I'm already just kind of feeling more confident in myself and just kind of living a happier life, so I figured I will share those tips with you. Number 1 is getting your skincare routine on point, okay? This is a top tip because we want to feel good. We want to feel good from the inside and the outside, and obviously we love our skin. We want clear skin, healthy, glowing skin in 2022. So finding the perfect skincare routine is one tip on how to be that girl. Number 2 is a healthy diet. Of course, we're going into 2022 healthy queens, okay? I've got my half-gallon right here water bottle jug. This one is so cute. It's just from Amazon. This I incorporate every single day. I try to drink at least 1 gallon of water a day, so that's 2 of these bad boys, but I definitely drink a lot more than that. Staying hydrated, 1, will help you have a lot of energy, part of your healthy diet, and 3, helps actually with your skin. So your skin will feel a lot more clear and soft and just look really healthy because you're keeping it very hydrated and it's not super dry. Having that healthy diet, like, this is a new year. This is when you can really focus on meal prepping or just focus on just healthy, whole ingredients and meals and recipes. Go on Pinterest. I have a Pinterest. I'll leave it linked down below. And just make a whole pin of healthy recipes that you want to try this year. Number 3 is following a workout routine. So my workout routine is to work out at least 4 to 5 times a week. And I do strength training and stuff and weightlifting, but that is up to you on what you want to do. But set a goal for yourself. Have a daily workout routine that you can follow, like I said, 4 to 5 times a week, Monday through Friday, and Saturday and Sunday's your rest day, or Monday, Wednesday, Friday, whatever the case is. Set a workout routine, stick to it, follow it, and by the summer, halfway through the year, you'll already be that girl. Number 4 is having the perfect hair care routine. This is so key, okay? I am so big on my hair. My hair is super healthy, shiny, long, and I have nailed my hair care routine. It is just, chef's kiss. My hair grows super fast. I have a lot of videos and I'll leave a link down below for you guys, tips on how to grow your hair to be that girl if you want, or if you want short hair still, just maintaining just healthy hair in general. I'll have all those videos linked down below for you guys. But finding the perfect hair routine is just key, because then every day your hair just looks amazing and healthy and it doesn't look dry or feel dead at all. It's always shining, okay? And that just gives me the perfect amount of confidence boost that I need daily. The perfect hair care routine that works for you is really going to make a difference just in general. And I will film a video of my updated hair care routine. If you're interested, let me know down below, because I feel like I've definitely nailed it. And I have some new tips and tricks up my sleeve that I kind of want to share with you guys. Number 5 to being that girl this 2022 is learn to budget daily, or at least every week. So I get paid every week, for example, and I actually have an Excel sheet that has all of my finances on it, all of my payments, my credit cards, you know, food expenses, literally everything. And each week after I get paid, I'll go onto that Excel sheet, type everything in, and then start transferring money where I need it to go. My savings account, stuff for my house since I have a house coming soon. But learning to just budget is going to be key. We want to be successful this 2022, right? We just want to live that wealthy, rich lifestyle, even if we're not rich and wealthy, right? But saving money starting now is going to help you in the long run for when you're getting a little bit older, or if you want to try to buy a house. I've saved up all of my money. I was able to buy a house with my boyfriend and still have money left over. So just learning to budget is the key to that, girl. So learn to save your money each week. Make a goal. Say, I want, out of my paycheck, I want half of that to go to my savings and half of that to be spent on whatever you want, bills, you know, all that. Just plan it out. Use an Excel sheet. I know that there's like some free templates online that you can definitely use, or of course make your own like I did. Number 6 is have more confidence in yourself. This is a big thing, and it kind of leads into the next tip that I'm going to share with you guys. But having the most confidence in yourself is really going to help become, you know, that girl, that boy this year. I felt like last year, when I kind of reflected on what I can change for this year, seemed to be my confidence. I go through phases where I'm confident, and then I go through phases, obviously, where I'm not so confident, and I feel like we all have those days. But really try to look at the bright side of things. When you're looking in the mirror and you're like, oh, you know, I don't know, I just don't feel my best. Try to find something, though, that you are happy about. There has to be at least one thing. And that just kind of gives you the little confidence boost. Like, okay, you know, my weight might not be there yet, but my skin is looking really good and it makes me super happy. And that's something that I'm trying to work on. Sometimes I'll look in the mirror and I'm like, I really need to lose some weight or blah, blah, blah. And then I'm like, you know what, though? But my skin and hair is looking so good right now. Like, I'm gonna get ready, feel my best, and then I tend to feel better when I kind of talk myself up. So kind of talk yourself up. I know, of course, we all are a little down on ourselves sometimes and a little bit hard on ourselves, but try to find that one thing that makes you happy and feel good, along with the things that might not make you feel as good at the moment. Leading from confidence, my next tip is don't compare yourself. I found myself in 2021 comparing myself to all these TikTok girls and celebrities on Instagram, and it was just bad. I need to stop doing that, and that's what I'm going to be trying in 2022 not to do, is compare myself. You know, like, I'm successful just like these people, you know. I'm in a great, healthy relationship. I own all of these things, you know, I'm very happy, but I tend to look at them and be like, but they're just prettier than me, or, you know, they have a nice body than me. But you really don't know what they're going through. Again, social media, though, is so fake and edited. It is not real. Okay, everyone knows they're good angles. There's tons of editing apps. You know, changing the exposure just a little bit on a photo can really make a difference. So stop comparing yourself to all these different people online, because it is not going to help you in the long run. You obviously can't be them. You know, you're your own person, they're their own person, and as hard as you try and want to be like them, you're just not gonna. And that's the reality of it. Tip number 8 to being that girl is mastering the perfect morning and night routine. This is key. I started like doing this at the end of 2021, and it was so good. I have the same morning routine, I have the same nighttime routine, and it makes me just feel well grounded, balanced, organized, and like put together. I think feeling put together is probably the best feeling that you could feel. So having the perfect morning routine, whether that be waking up at 5 a.m., not going on your phone until like 7 a.m., and hitting the gym and all this stuff, you do that. Or if your morning routine consists of waking up at 9 and doing the same things, so be it. But have a perfect morning and night routine that makes you happy, makes you feel successful, put together, organized, and kind of just like makes you feel like you have your life together, and that is it. That's key. Tip number 9 is be organized, whether that is, buying a planner, using your iPad as a planner, your phone. Try to stay organized. My big issue is I will use a planner for a few months, and then the next few months, the book is empty. I don't use it. So I'm trying every single day to dedicate at least 30 minutes to opening my planner up, writing everything that I need, going over everything. I have a meeting this day, I have an appointment this day, I need to do this, I need to upload. So I'm really trying to focus on uploading more to YouTube for you guys. I've just been busy with work and I kind of just brush it off. At the end of the year I was like, I'll start next year. But I have been really trying, so I've been kind of keeping myself accountable in my planner and kind of organizing when I'm going to film, upload, edit, all of that stuff. So just try to be organized, because when you're organized, your life's a little bit more put together and things kind of just go smoothly when you're more organized. And tip number 10 to being that girl or that boy this year is do it for yourself, not others. Anything you want to do, you do it for yourself, okay? So whenever you're trying to make a decision, really think about, am I doing this for me? Or am I doing this for somebody else or something else? And really make sure that you're doing it for you, for your own happiness, your own life, just for your own sanity. Do it for you. Stop doing things for other people. Stop putting other people in front of you, ahead of your feelings, ahead of your happiness. Because then you're going to spend the whole year doing stuff you don't want to do for somebody else or something else, and you're going to be very unhappy. Make sure, and I can't stress this enough, it's for you. Your happiness comes first, and your happiness is more important than somebody else's happiness. Okay, so that completes my 10 tips on how to be that girl or that guy this 2022. I'm excited to see where the year leads me, and I have a lot of, exciting things happening this year, and I just can't wait. So I'm trying my best to be that girl, and I hope that you try your best as well for your own happiness. And just remember, you're beautiful, have confidence, and I love you guys. So give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!